everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. And look what I got. It's lightweight. It's not hurting my arm any. Beautylish. I got my very first Beautylish box. I first saw these last year. I don't know where I've been. But last year I saw some friends of mine do their unboxing of their Beautylish boxes. And I'm like, wow, I want to do that. So I went over to Beautylish's website and signed up to be alerted when these boxes are dropped. And so I did that last year, and I got my emails this year, and I told this story in a previous video here recently. The Beautylish sells, the Lucky Bag sells on December 26th. That's the day I had my breast cancer surgery. So I contacted customer service. I sent them proof of my surgery, and it was going to be on that date. And Kristen with Beautylish, very happily, and I'm so grateful, purchased this for me. I had my profile all filled out. I had my payment information in there. So all she had to do was just order it for me, and I appreciate that so much to Kristen. And I don't want people to think I did it to make sure I got a Lucky Bag, because when I first emailed and talked to Kristen, she says, you know, it's not a guarantee. And I knew that. It's just that there was no way I could buy a Lucky Bag the day of my surgery. So I was very glad to get my very first. And I just have the regular one, the $75 one. And they have other ones. And I'm sure if you're watching this video, you know all about the Lucky Bag. So let's get started. I've already cut my tape and got it open. And I'm sure you, oh, my card's down here. My card wasn't even hooked up. There it is. I will bring that closer for those of you who just maybe have not seen that. Let me get my face behind it. There we go. I know you can read that now. All right, let's get everything back up and lights good. All right, it comes beautifully packaged. It's got the sumo wrestler paper on it. So black paper. Oh, here we go. Oh, okay. I'm excited. I see my things. I'm gonna pull them out. Yay! Let me make sure. Some bags are really lucky and have gift cards in the bottom. What's the bottom of mine? No. All right. Okay. First off, this is the thing that is exciting me the most. If you saw my videos, 9 beauty companies I wanted to try in 2019, Wayne Goss was on that, and I got a Wayne Goss brush. Yay! I got the number 10. Let me get this off. Oh, that feels so nice. There we go. The number 10, Wayne Goss. I will put prices down below. I'll look all these up. So I'm not really sure how much this brush costs. Next, this doesn't excite me. I saw some people got this. It's the Benefit They're Real mascara. I'm not sure yet if I want to keep this, because I have so many mascaras. I've tried samples of this, and it's okay. I might throw that into a giveaway. I'm planning a big one when I can say I'm cancer-free. Next, I got the Orbe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. I saw a lot of people got this in theirs. This I'm not upset about, because I've had samples of this and I really like it. This looks like the smaller one. I know they come in bigger containers, but that's perfect. Not upset with that. I've got some things wrapped up that I don't know what they are yet, so those things were just loose. This I've seen everybody getting, and it's, of course, it says coming soon from Beautylish, and it's a new product. And I saw people so easily, there we go, easily push it out of that. Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Serum. There we go. So let's open this up. There are no prices. People have been trying to look this up. There's no prices because it's not on Beautylish yet. But it is supposed to be an affordable skincare brand, sort of like The Ordinary. So, oh, nice packaging. 1 fluid ounce. formulated with caffeine and pumpkin extract. I use the ordinary caffeine under my eyes, and I haven't been using it in a while. I guess I really need to. I've got dark circles from, you know, life right now. Oh, I want to smell this. Wow. This has a, the top, it's like a liquid lip. It like lipstick. It takes the excess off of your dropper. I like that. I don't think anybody's talked about that. And like the ordinary, I'll probably use it like that. Just put a little bit, because a little is going to go a long way. This has absolutely no scent to it whatsoever. It feels good. Made in Korea, it says. Use day and night, AM and PM. Well, that's nice. I am using stuff right now, so I will put this in my drawer to use later. But yeah, nice. Now, okay, I got 2 packages wrapped, and one luckily is upside down, so I'm not 100% sure what it is. Well, they're both upside down. I'm just seeing the back side. So let's open these. Let's see if I can get this open. I don't have the strength I usually do, and I gotta do everything with my right hand and not my left hand. Okay, I got that pretty easy. I got a Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Powder in Prismatic Amethyst. Oh, I don't have this. Yay, I don't have this. Oh, wow. The outside is a bit purple. It's a little lilac color. Oh, wow. Very nice. Very nice. I'm going to hide the mirror. That's what it looks like. Let me dump that out. Oh, feels very nice. Can you see that on my hand? Yeah. Very pretty. Very pretty. So I am excited about that. Okay, this is what I'm looking at, the back side. Oh no, it's the front side. It's, oh yay! I was so worried about what palette I might get, because I recently purchased some Viseart palettes and I didn't want to get those. But look what I got. I got the Anastasia Soft Glam. I didn't own this one. I looked at it and I kept saying, you know, I don't know if I want that one. And I hadn't purchased it yet. Probably would not have purchased it. I can't get it out. There we go. Oh, feels nice. I could add it to my collection now with all my other Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ooh. Well, you know, this is very pretty in person. Oh, wow. This is very pretty. And for those of you who may not have seen this before, there are the colors. Wow. So that's it. That was my Beautylish. Most people's boxes are averaging around 160-ish. So I will add mine up and leave it on the bottom of the screen. So I got the Soft Glam palette, which I'm excited with everything I got, except really the mascara. The mascara doesn't excite me. This is really nice. The Orbe doesn't excite me, but I'm very glad to have it because I do use dry shampoos a lot, and so I'm happy to have that. I'm excited to finally get to try a Wayne Goss brush. This looks like a cheek brush, maybe. And then, like I said, the mascara doesn't excite me. I have so many mascaras, and I only like to keep 1 or 2 open at a time because once you break that seal, their shelf life just starts ticking down then. So I think I will put this in my giveaway. Yeah, I know I will. So, all in all, I'm excited with my very first Beautylish bag. Next year, I might try to get an extra large. Hopefully, I will be well and can sit there at the computer and try for it, you know, when everybody else is. So, anyway, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And if you're new to my channel, I would really love it if you would subscribe. So, thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys next time.